Hey guys, it's Joanna here. So if you have been working out at home and you want to keep your workout interesting, well, introducing a chair to your workout will definitely up the intensity. It is a really simple piece of equipment which you can use to get you sweating. So grab a chair. We want to work on our entire body. Each workout will be for 30 seconds long with 10 seconds rest in between, and it's only for 8 minutes. So get your body warmed up and let's start moving. So start by placing a chair directly behind you. We want to start with a really simple workout, which is chair squat, okay? And it will also act as a warm-up. This workout is great for beginners to check that your form is correct, okay? So place a chair behind you, stand shoulder width apart, toes pointed forward, and just place your hands in front and just gently touch and tap the chair, okay? So you want to make sure that your butt is tapping the chair. All right? Simple as that. Touch and tap. Push your butt back, chest up and face forward. Only 30 seconds long, 15 seconds left. If you want to, you can keep your hands directly in front of you. So again, always remember, no hunching forward, chest up, push your butt back, tap and sit with your butt first, all right? And rest for 10 seconds. The next workout is going to be a push-up to Spider-Man, all right? So again, start in a high plank position. As you go into a push-up, tap your knee against your elbow, all right? As simple as that. So lower your body, knee to elbow. Good. So now we're warming up and we're working on the upper body. Very nice. Push-up. It's all about moving your entire body. That's the whole goal of this workout. Good. 5 more seconds. You should start to feel your upper body. Good. Next workout, chair step up, okay? Hence, you want to make sure that your chair is solid, okay? We want to do a simple step up, okay? Legs down and change the other side. Good. So step up, kick back, legs down and step up. Good. Work on those thigh muscles. Up, down and up. Very nice. Okay, tighten your core to make sure that you are in the center. Keep going, 5 more seconds. Last few more, 1 more, and rest it out. Now, side leg raise. Place the chair right beside you. Step wide, okay? One leg onto the chair, one leg and just bend, okay? This is a really simple side leg raise, ladies, to really work on your inner thighs. One leg up and you're really working on the inner thighs, on your right leg, and on your thighs on the left leg. Keep going. Bring it down low, nice and gentle. Low impact workouts, no jumping, but you will really feel your muscles working. Good. Change side, okay? Right. Left leg up, right leg, and let's go. Keep it bent. Nice. Point your toes if you want to. Lower your body even more. Push your butt back. Good. Push it back. Nice. Controlled movement. Good. Again, if you want to, just place your hands in front of you. Really feel your thighs, your right thighs, and your left inner thigh working. Keep going. Good. Keep going. 3 more seconds. Last few more. And rest it out. This time, let's grab the chair, place it directly in front of you, and we want to do leg kickbacks, okay? You can even do this on your kitchen while waiting for your food to cook. So just kick back, squeeze your butt muscles. That is the goal, okay? Kick back, balance and squeeze. Kick back and squeeze. So just support your body with one hand or both arms. Again, keep your core tight, kick back, squeeze your butt. Good. Chest up, do not lean too far forward. Chest up, kick. Last 2, kick. And now change side, all right? Right leg, kick back, 5 more seconds. You can start immediately if you want to. Kick, keep going, kick, and squeeze your glutes. Very good. Keep going. Again, remember, while you're waiting for your food to cook, you can even do this at your kitchen island. Few more. Last one. 10 seconds left. Keep going. And few more. Last 3 seconds. And rest it out. Next workout will be tricep dips, okay? So grab your chair. Now we want to move on to our upper body. Right, stand. Just gently dip it down, okay? Again, remember, your body should be close to the chair. If you're doing this, this is wrong, okay? Body close to the chair. If you're struggling, then what you can do is just keep your knees bent and make it easier. Beginners, this is what you can do. As you progress, extend your legs and just keep dipping. Last 3 more seconds. Last one, and rest it out. Single leg lunge, left and right, okay? So legs up, step forward, okay? We want to work on our right leg first and really just lunge down. This is also an advanced move, okay? So you really have to find your center of gravity and really only work on your right leg. Good. Keep lunging. Keep going. Relax your left leg. Work on your right thighs, okay? Make sure you're taking a step wide enough for you to really feel your right thighs working. And now just rest it out, shake it out a little bit. We want to change side, all right? So left leg up, right leg up, left leg forward. And ready? Let's go down and up. Good. Keep going, down and up. Very, very nice. Woo! Balance. Find your balance. Halfway there. Keep your left leg strong. You will always find that one side will be stronger than the other side. 10 more seconds. Don't rush the workout. Last few more. Keep going down. And rest. Calf raises, okay? A lot of you have been wanting calf exercises. So, again, place your chair in front of you. This is just to support. Raise your calves up and down, gently, up and down, okay? Just very gently, up and down. Squeeze right at the top. Small movements, but you will feel your calf muscles working. Always remember to squeeze right at the top. Wait for 1 second, bring it back down. Good. Squeeze. If you want to, you can even release and find your balance. Good. Keep going. Small calf movements. And rest it out. Final workout. Knee tucks. Grab the chair. Sit on the chair. We want to work on our abs, okay? So let's go. Knees in, release, and in. Good. Make sure you're sitting right at the edge of the chair, okay? In and out. Good. Knee tucks in and out. Do not rest your body against the chair. It is just to give you a nice support. Keep going. Last 10 seconds. One last workout. And you will have a great day ahead. Nice. Few more. And rest it out. Well done, guys. That was your 8-minute chair workout, which you can do first thing in the morning, okay? It is a really simple workout. It's a really gentle exercise. You can even do this when you are in your hotel room, traveling, or even at work. So the whole goal of this workout is to get you moving, is to get your blood flowing, and for you to have the energy to have a good day. You can start with 8 minutes, and as you progress, increase it to 2 or 3 more sets and make it a full workout. Remember to keep it consistent and do this workout at least 3 to 4 times weekly, okay? Be sure to like this workout video, share it with your friends, challenge your friends to do this total body chair workout. Let me know how you get on in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more workout videos, workout challenges, and guys, please turn on your notification button so that you will get notified every time I share a new video. All the best!